In this video, we will present to you a new dashboard element. This feature enables you to show the best or the average value of a selected inquiry. For example, the best buyer or the average sales value for last month. Let's look at an example. A company manager would like to see who their best buyer is in order to award them for their loyalty. To see this information at any time, the manager creates a new dashboard element, called Tile. The new element is created by preparing an SQL statement with the desired data. Once this tool is inserted and confirmed, it can be used. The manager selects the variable in the current value combo box. If a value is used, then also a unit of measurement or a currency must be assigned. The user can also define the color of the element to make it more visible. Once all settings are defined, the manager clicks on the Show button to prepare the tile element. The created element can now be added to a desired dashboard. It can be added as a singled element to a new dashboard, or as an additional element to an existing one. Thank you for your attention. For further help or advice, please refer to our consultants.